Hello, all my loving student. I hope you all are good at your home. Student, today I welcomes to you for a new session of this year, which is the 2021 and 22. Student, today we have learned about a topic of English. Our topic is articles. You already knew about in your previous classes like 2, 3rd and 4. You already knew about the three important words which are the an, and the. In the English, there are three articles which are known as the an, and the. Student, we can use articles before noun or noun equivalents and are a type of adjective. Student, we can use the articles before the any noun or any noun equivalent. Before the, this thing is very important कि where we can use before or after. But student, you always remember it. We use articles before the any noun. Student, whenever we learn about the articles, first of all, we classify the articles into the two categories which are known as the definite articles and the indefinite articles. I will tell you about what are the definite articles and what are the indefinite articles. Student, the definite articles means the is used before a noun to indicate the identity of the noun is known to the reader, and the indefinite article means an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. So student, we can use articles in many situations, but sometimes we can't use these three words. So whenever we can't use the articles, we keep the words and we keep the nouns as usual, which are written as in your book, as in your paper. Okay, so student, for now I explain you about the basic rules of an and the. So now I explain you about first of all the rules of a, where we can use the a. So student, a is used before singular countable noun, means which things we can count and which are only singular. Singular means only one thing. So we can use article a before the singular but countable noun. For example, like a person, a animal or thing. Like for an example means a boy, a cow and a ball. Okay, which are not specific. We can use the article a which are not specific. Our second rule is the a is used if a noun starts with a consonant sound, like means कि we already knew about the alphabets of English, which are the 26. So you all of you know what are the consonants and what are the vowels. So we can use article a before the consonant sound, like B, C, D, F, G, etc. You can use a before the K word. Okay, so article a comes before the noun. For example, a dog, a boy. So here I write a sentence for you. It was a pleasant day. So student, we can use article a before the word pleasant, and in the pleasant we have the consonant word p. So our rule is here, a is used if a noun start with a consonant sound. You all remember it always. We can use article a before the words which starts with consonant sound. Okay, now another example it is, I am a student of class 5th. Here we can use article a before the word student. So you know student means s sound, and s sound means it is a consonant sound. So we can use the article a. So we keep remember only two things. First of all, we can use a before the singular but countable nouns, and we can use article a before a noun which starts with consonant word and consonant sound. Okay, now I tell you about the rules of how we use the an. An is much similar as the a article. So an is also used before singular countable noun which are not specific. Second rule, we don't use an before uncountable or plural noun. Student, always remember it is we cannot use article an before any plural noun, any plural word, or uncountable words. Okay, if the noun starts with a vowel sound, we all of you know in English we have 5 vowel words which are the a, e, I, o, u. So you always remember it is we use an before the sound which starts with the a, e, I, o, u. Like for an example, an apple, an honest man, and university. Okay, so we can use article an before the sounds a, e, I, o, u, and comes before the noun. For example, an apple, an egg. Here a sentence for you. I saw an owl. You know, article an is used before the word owl, and we know in the owl we use the word, this is a o. O is a o sound. Okay, and o is a vowel sound. So we keep remember it is we can use article an before the vowel sound. Okay, I have an idea. A o sound, I sound. Okay, I hope you understand the basic rules of an. Now I tell you about the our definite article, which is the. Student, we can use the article the for the many things. So now we use article the before all noun. It does not matter the nouns are singular, plural, or countable or uncountable to describe specific or unique. Student, in the a or n rules, we knew about the we can't use article a or n before the plural nouns, but the article the is used before the any kind of noun which is a plural or singular, countable or uncountable. Okay, the is used before the. Student, we can use the article the for the many situation, in many situation. For example, the is used before the name of river. For example, the Amazon river, the Ganga river. Okay, the name of the river. Direction, the east, the west, the north, and the south. Okay, name of the newspaper like the Hindustan Times. Okay, mountains like the Alps, the Great Himalayas, etc. It is also used before the superlative degrees of its active, like the smallest pen, the smallest pencil. Okay, the intelligent boy. So intelligent and the smallest are the superlative degrees, so we can use article the before the superlative degrees also. Here, he is the best boy. You know, best is a superlative degree, so we can use article the before the superlative degree best. Okay, we saw the Vijay Sthambh. You know, Vijay Sthambh is a place which is in Chittorgarh. It is a name of a fort. It is name of a pillar which is situated in the Chittorgarh fort. So it is a unique place. Okay, so we can use article the before the Vijay Sthambh. Okay, so you all remember it. We can use the article the for the many things like the sun, the moon, the sky. Here now I show you some examples. Where can we use, where can we put on the article an and the. Okay, students, we can use article a before the, like the word table, book, festival, cow, tree, girl, car, and the dog. So student, I hope you all are understand where can we the use the word the article a. So you all can see that the word table, dog, car, all are the singular words. So we can say that we can use article a before the singular noun. It is book is a thing, table is a thing, dog is a name of animal, car it is a thing, girl it is a name of a girl, girl means human. Okay, animal, tree, cow, and festival. So before the following words we can use article a. Now I show you where can we use article an. So देखिए, idea, we can use article an before the word idea, apple, hour, I, MP, MLA, Indian, idea. Okay, now I tell you about the article the. We can use article the before the name of the rivers, name of the direction, name of the religious book like the Mahabharata, the Bible, moon, world, forest, mountain, and again as the river. So student, I hope you all are understand the basic concept of using how can we use the articles. Okay, thank you all. I hope you like this video.